Jadirah Sarmad, and it's finally getting cold in Karachi, which means we're about to get savage. Jokes apart, I am not somebody who does reviews where I'm bashing brands, but also I'm somebody who definitely does believe in putting out negative reviews because they matter just as much as the positive ones. I mean, you guys totally have the right to know what works and what does not. Today's video might be towards the harsher harsher side. Clearly not. So you guys might have already seen this brand Mana Beauty Spirit online, especially on Instagram. I don't know if that's how you even pronounce the name, Mana. I don't know, I'll just call it Mana. If I'm wrong, please correct me. So basically, a couple of months back I ran out of my vitamin C serum, and I really love it and I need it in my life. So I was thinking of ordering it, but I was on a little bit of a budget at that point, and vitamin C serums are usually quite expensive, like they are above the 3000 PKR mark here. So I thought, you know what, I'll order something that has vitamin C, but something that's not that expensive. And that's when I saw this Mana Beauty Spirit sale going on. So I messaged them and I asked them, hey, like I recalled seeing that they have vitamin C somewhere. So I asked them that, you know, I can't see it listed on your website, where is it, what is it? And they told me basically that, you know, you can find it in this Mana Beauty Forever Young serum. So I was like, cool, I'll order that, even though it's way down in the ingredients list right here. And by the way, if you guys want to know how to read ingredient lists, let me know, I'll make a separate video on that. So anyways, I decided to order a few other things that intrigued me. So I had to, of course, get this Forever Young serum. I got this really popular lip and cheek tint. Another product that really caught my fancy was this Universal Radiance mask. I wouldn't say that these are super affordable, super inexpensive products, but on sale they seemed to be at a good price. So first let's talk about this product and let's just get it out of the way, since everybody has reviewed it. And this was like the only product jiska review mujhe online mila. I couldn't find reviews of anything else, and I even posted that on my Instagram asking that, you know, if anybody has any reviews up, and apparently nobody did. So that's kind of sad. I was like, okay, I'll take the matter in my own hands and I'll review these things on my own. So this is the packaging. It's pretty cute. Pretty sad that it did not really work for me. And this is what the bottle looks like. It's a dropper. And let's just shake it up to give it a fair chance. And then this comes like this in a dropper. Now a lot of people really like it. You can, I don't know if you can tell, I haven't used much of it because I did not really like it. It did not turn out to be what I expected it to be. First of all, number one complaint is that this is too watery, too runny, and if you try applying it directly, it just disappears. It's nowhere. Like, the only way I can make it work is if I take a little bit of it on the back of my hand, I dab it a little bit, get rid of some of the water, and then I tap it onto my lips and my cheeks, then it works. That's how it works for me. Otherwise, it's way too subtle, and I basically wanted this tint for my lips, and I would say that it was an absolute fail. Even with this trick, it's gone within like a few minutes. It does not even last like 5 minutes. It's immediately gone because it's just water and nothing else. You can see the consistency. It's so weird. It's just like, I don't even know, water mixed with a little bit of, I think, glycerin or something. So, you know, it's not really mixing in that well. So that is my complaint. I was really disappointed because everybody had hyped it up, and initially I thought maybe it would not appear on my skin tone, but it does appear on my skin tone, so it will work for medium to tan skin tones. You can definitely build it up, but its lasting power is not good at all, and this is something you can use on its own, definitely not something you can apply on top of your base and stuff, because then again the consistency is already so weird. It does not blend like a cream based tint, you know. So first disappointment, I was like, all right, my money just went down the drain. And this was not cheap. This was for, I'll tell you how much this was for. I've got the receipts right here. This was for 1050 on sale, and that's a lot for just some water and glycerin and possibly food color. I don't know, whatever that is. Okay, then the next product that I got was this Forever Young Serum. Now, this was obviously one product that I really wanted to try. So, this contains a bunch of really cool ingredients on the back, at least that's what it claims to contain. And I got this, and I've used quite a lot of it. I'm sure you can tell. I would say I did not see a difference. I basically needed it for my hyperpigmentation. This is my problem area, and this is what I wanted to target with the vitamin C in it. Again, the consistency is so similar to the tint. It's very runny. It just, yeah, dripped down. And again, water and glycerin mixed kind of thing. So, it just sits on the top of your face. It does not absorb well at all. I really have to like pat it in, and even then it just sits on top of the skin basically. I don't feel that it penetrates the skin, and it did nothing for me. The packaging is cute, but क्या फ़ायदा अगर कोई खूबसूरत हो लेकिन किसी काम का ना हो. And उसके बाद let's talk about सबसे बड़ी disappointment. So this is the Mana Universal Radiance Mask, and it's supposed to be really nice for your skin. It's also apparently good for boosting radiance and brightness and all of that jazz, which my dull sallow skin lacks. And ये इतने से टब में आता है, इतने से टब में. अब what you're about to see next, please don't freak out. So I used it basically 3 to 4 times, and out of all of these products, I would say that this was something that I would say कि थोड़ा मुझे अच्छा लगा, and this was something that I could feel थोड़ा बहुत काम करता है, and it has a really nice scent as well, even though ये सड़ चुका है. This says that use within 3 months of opening it. I hope you can read that. And मुझे ये use किए हुए कोई 3 हफ्ते हुए थे. That's when I opened it one day, and this is what I saw. It grew a mold in it. इसमें fungus लग चुका है. This is disgusting. But जब मैंने initially देखा था ये थोड़ा light था, but it was absolutely disgusting, and I was disgusted, and I took photos immediately, and I sent it to Mana, and I told them that, hey, listen, this is the whole deal, what's up, ये क्या है. I was freaking out, and I was like 3 महीने हुए भी नहीं हैं, and this is expensive. So basically, this, I forgot to tell you its price. This was for 1350, and then this was for 1200. Now 1200 for a tiny tub. Like, if you remember Mera L'Oreal charcoal clay mask review, usme I said that the amount was really less for 1000 rupees, but at least that worked. And that still was 50 ml. This is only 30 ml for 1200. That too on sale. So, and उसके बाद ये सड़ जाए, so that is like so disappointing. So I messaged them and I was like, hey, I want a refund because this is absolutely disgusting. And they were like, okay, we don't have we have a non-refund policy and blah blah. So what we can do is that we can send you another piece of the same thing basically. And I was like, okay, cool, we'll see. And they also said that you should have used it with clean fingers, as if I don't know any better, as if I was using it with, I'm not even gonna say with what on my hands, but I found that to be quite condescending. So this is brand new, brand is spanking new. They sent it to me within a week of my complaining, which was good. Their customer support and all of that was responsive. And this is new. मैंने use नहीं किया है. It had been lying in my room for a while, like 2 हफ्ते or something, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna wait and watch के होता क्या है. And I swear मैंने इसमें एक बार भी उंगली तक भी नहीं लगाई है. And then I just opened it one day, and this is what I see. What is this? It is again growing something. It has something, I don't know. And as soon as I saw this, I was like so disappointed. Can we ignore the tan in the back? Ranveer Singh ki shaadi ho gayi hai, and he's just announcing that here right now. I posted on my Instagram, I tagged the brand, they saw it, but they did not respond after that. मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या करूँ. This is so bad, and I'm so disappointed कि मेरे पैसे डूब गए. Okay, I understand that organic products do have a shelf life, and they do go bad after a certain time. But again, they have clearly mentioned 3 months, and I have used organic masks before from brands like Lush, and they don't go bad like this. never experienced anything of the sort before. So this was highly disappointing because I had really high hopes, especially because it is a Pakistani brand. I really wanted to support them, but it's from me. So that was my experience. And honestly, when I shared it on my Instagram, uske baad, a couple of people messaged me and they were like, "Oh my god, we had the same shitty experience." And I was like, "Where were you when I was buying it?" But I was like, also, cool. At least I'm not the only one who experienced that. So yeah, in the sea of positive reviews, this is a negative one. Definitely a brand I would steer clear of now. If you guys have had any such experiences or any good experiences as well, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. I'll see you on the other side. Take care of yourselves. Bye.